Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news and take a look at the overall market so that you stay informed in the world of Web3. Today, guys, we're going to have a look at the market. We've got Bitcoin creeping back up to 60K. It even went beyond 59K. We're about 58K, as you can see from the chart there. We've got some news stories to go through, and then I'm going to cover Solana Hack House and a few bits that I found on Twitter that I think I'd like to present to you and go through that. And as always, guys, make sure to hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed. We are going to do a trade, as we always do at the start of the stream. So I will go over to that. Let me know if I should go short or long. Let's have a look at Stonksy, see what Stonksy's saying. Stonksy is green on the 30-minute here, starting to go down. We're at 143 on Solana there. Let's head over to Blowfin. Let's lock in a quick short position. Let's go 100 Solana short, and let's go there. Bosh. And let's check back up on that at the end of the stream. Ooh, unauthorized. Let me maybe logged out here, guys. Bear with me. Unauthorized. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, I will. It's logged me out because I have gone to a different country. Good security there. Let's see if I can sort that out while we're talking about the rest of the stream. But let's have a look at the markets then, guys. We have got Bitcoin heading back up to 60K here. Ethereum, not much movement today, 3,100. I'd like to see that a little bit higher, but I imagine we are waiting on the ETF news there. So let's have a look at Bitcoin, see what it's saying there. Who have we got on stream as well? We've got Tim Tam Tomo. How are you doing, sir? Good to see you. We've got Christian as well. Hope you're doing well. And we've got Alex. Awesome, guys. Thanks for showing up. Let me know what your thoughts are on Bitcoin at the moment. Will we see 60K this week or will we go a little bit lower? We've got a strong buy on the 1 minute here on the technical analysis. Let's have a look at this. Let's go on to the 1 hour here. Also saying buy there. Let's go on to the 1 hour chart as well. Yeah, looking real nice on Bitcoin here. Went above 59,000, back below right now, but looking like it may pop its head back up again. If we can make highs above 59,500, I think that's a lot of confidence going towards the weekend there. Let me know what you guys think with Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the top gainers and losers of the day as well. Let's go in the top 100 there. Let's have a look at the gainers first. So we've got Layer Zero up well on the 7-day as well, 10%. 15% 24 hours though. We got Stacks 8%, Zcash 7%, Phantom 6%, but down 13% still in the week. Aave coming through 6%, not much movement on the 7-day there. Avalanche, yeah, similar movement with a lot of these. Zil, I'd like to see this perform a little bit better. Hasn't had the best of times recently. Let's have a look at the losers here. We've got Portal, yeah, Portal down 18% over the last week here. XDC not doing too well either. Curve DAO, not much movement there. Chainlink down 10% in the last week. Elrond's had a really good week, 16% up, just 1% down today. To be expected there. We've also got Mike. Hey, how you doing? And we've got Bruce from Australia. Bruce, hope you're doing well. Good day, mate. But yeah, let's head over to the first news story of today. Which is regarding the Argentinian crypto adoption increasing amid runaway inflation rates. So cryptocurrency adoption in Argentina has reached unprecedented levels amid skyrocketing local inflation rates. In the Western Hemisphere, Argentina currently leads the way in cryptocurrency adoption, which has been mainly driven by its 276% annual inflation rate. SimilarWeb reports that the country is the top market for Binance, accounting for 6.9% of its total web traffic. SimilarWeb also reports that the country's crypto adoption rate is the highest in the Western Hemisphere relative to its global population share. Data shows that 2.5 million of the 130 million visitors to the world's largest exchanges come from Argentina. How do Argentines use crypto? Unlike the rest of the world, Argentines do not necessarily use crypto in the same way as the rest of the world. They have not been fueled by meme coin mania as the rest of the world has. Instead, Argentina has been driven by a preference for stablecoins. This opens up the conversation. We've had the new prime minister, president, recently say, he's going to tackle inflation by using the US dollar, which I think is totally backwards. And they know this as well. It's not a good solution for them. They realize this is a quick fix. However, stable coins, even though the stable coins that we all predominantly use right now are still backed by the US dollar, so it's not really taking it out of the way. but this does seem like a good use case and utility for stablecoins. We see, real world assets coming more into fruition as well. I think this is, shout out to my guys at ISK who we met at the Solana Hacker House this weekend. But I think we're going to see more flat coins and more stable coins that are using real world assets that doesn't, 100% benefits the US dollar as well. I think that's what we're going to see here. And I think we're going to see it across Latin America, Africa, Asia as well. Perhaps that will bring in CBDCs, but that's a conversation to be had later, guys. But let me know if we've got anyone from Latin America in the chat. Put it down here. Do you think stable coins are a good fix for inflation in your local jurisdictions, guys? But let's head over to the next news story of today, which is regarding Ethereum ETFs are nearing their launch. So Catherine Dowling of Bitwise believes that Ethereum ETFs are close to the finish line. So she says, we're seeing in the S1 amendments that there are fewer and fewer issues being discussed between issuers and the SEC. This indicates that we were close to the finish line for the launch. Despite indicating that the launch was close, she did not put a time frame on the issue. So Gary Gensler recently predicted that spot Ethereum ETFs might debut sometime in the summer. Everyone has a different definition of summer. It's been a long, hot summer for the issuers waiting, they remarked. Yeah, this is going to get pushed back and back in my opinion, but it's probably good for price action. Let me know what you think in the chat. I will pull up. There's something on Twitter I want to show you about the Ethereum ETFs as well. So I will head over there. So yeah, let's head over to Twitter. There's a few tweets that I wanted to show. Let me just pull this up for you guys. And there was one in particular about the Ethereum ETF as well. So I'll go from the top through here. So this is Miles Deutscher, a good KOL with a good following, guys. If you're not already following, I would recommend following Miles here. But look, yeah, don't lose sight of the bigger picture of Bitcoin. So you've got the first halving, second halving, third halving, fourth halving, and see where we are right now, guys. If I click onto this, all the way up to 360,000, that would be a good day, right? So yeah, zoom out with the halvings. It's very predictable. So this is his next tweet he wanted to bring attention to. So on face value, it might sound simplistic, but this is alpha. Stop looking for a catalyst to mark the bottom. Often bottoms form simply out of seller exhaustion, and thus momentum shifts. So the way these sell-offs end is when sellers run out of coins. Sounds obvious, but the key is to ignore where buyers step in. So the next tweet as well, this one was really interesting, good visual here. So it's the liquidity versus altcoins, and you can see here 2024 we've got the liquidity, but we haven't, the altcoins aren't filling up that liquidity. Next tweet, let me just pull this down. Let me find the one regarding the Ethereum here as well. This is the one I wanted to show up, guys. So the mathematics behind the potential impact of the ETF flows on ETH's price. Let's pull this up. Yeah, so look, as you can see here, we've got the ETH inflows hopium table. So the dollar inflow compared to Bitcoin, 15% inflows, which is almost 2.2 billion, perhaps even more there. Sorry, missing out some, definitely missing out some zeros there. Addition to ETH market cap. And then look, addition to ETH price, $400, $500 as you go down these percentages here. So here you go, crypto Twitter, have some hopium in your timelines. A market cap weighted approach would be 32% inflows. The analysts have a range of 15% to 25%. I think there is a decent chance we surprise to the upside given the allocation people have for growth tech versus gold. So let me know on that. These are, I will put this into the Discord as well, so you can have a look at these charts afterwards as well. Let me know what you think the impact of these inflows will have on Ethereum. What percentage should we be looking at there? Let's have a quick look in the chat. Who have we got here as well? We've got Noel today. We've got Peter, and we've got the Real World, and we've got the Wizard. How are you doing, the Wizard? I saw you on the weekend at the Hacker House. Good to see you, my man. Talking about the Hacker House, for those of you that came down, it was a great event in London. I think if you click on the photo, you can probably see me in the background just around here. So a really good 2-day event, Friday, Saturday, lots of developers, lots of projects, all building. There was a competition as well. So I believe, yep, we can see here, the Fastmine app, a voice-activated smart contract platform for winning the best demo, a 5,000 USDC prize, and tickets to the Solana conference Breakpoint 2024, and that will be in Singapore. Let me know, guys, if you're going to Singapore. I can see a few faces here as well from the group. We see George from FOMO there as well. That was a really good weekend, guys. Let me see if I can pull down some further stuff from Solana Hacker House here as well. Here's the FOMO lads with their magazine, FOMO magazine. I'm sure you guys remember the FOMO lads. They've been on the stream before. Their magazine's really good, mainly focusing around Solana, but also other ecosystems, NFTs, meme coins, and DeFi. Lots in there, guys. So it is a real physical copy, but they do also do a digital copy there as well. They did. Let me see if I can pull up their video as well that they did from the event. Let me just pull this up. Media. See if we can find their video, guys. Bear with me because they did a nice little rundown of the event. Let's just see if I can pull this up. But yeah, it was nice to see a few CSE Plus members down there as well. Always a good weekend down in London, putting on for the event. So here we go. Here's the video, which I'll play for you.
Actually met for the first time at London Hacker House 2 years ago. He's the perfect friend for you. We are cool. We like Solana. We've been here since the first day. When I look in your eyes, yes, are you afraid to see what you know is real, like any other guy? I feel the flames of burning passion. When I look in your eyes, yes, are you afraid to see what you know is real, like any other guy? I'm thinking of the heart, forget the nothing.
Awesome bit of content from the boys there, and what an awesome event it was, guys. And I cannot stress enough, if there's an event in your country or local area, crypto event, always make sure to go down. It's always great to meet people in real life, and you never know what doors it may open as well. We see EFCC is on in Brussels right now. Let me see if I can find the video for that one as well, because it's got Vitalik. There's big rain pours right now, and it's got Vitalik jumping through the rain. Here he goes. Our net worth is in this guy's hands, guys. It's good. So Vitalik's in Brussels right now with EFCC, big event. All the big names are there right now. But like Token 2049 in Dubai, whenever there's a big crypto event, it seems there's always going to be rains this year as well. But yeah, let's head over to Crypto Saving Expert as well, guys. If you're not already following on Twitter, please give us a follow. We're coming up to 113k followers there. But yeah, let's have a quick look back on the trade, see where we are at with that. It didn't place, did it? My apologies there, guys. So the next news story of today, staying on board with events, is Zebu Live in 2024 in October. So Zebu Live, the UK's largest Web3 conference, organized by Flight Free, Web3 marketing agency owned by Dragon's Den star Stephen Bartlett, is back for its fourth annual two-day event starting on the 10th of October. So if anyone's thinking of any events in Europe around that time, I would highly recommend coming to Zebu. A lot of the CSE guys are all coming down as well. That Martini guy will also be there. I'll be there. Along with a lot of other members. We do have a 25% discount code, which is CSE25. The link can be found in this article, guys, as well. But thank you, guys, for today. I will be going live also tomorrow. I am going on a guest podcast tomorrow, which I will post in CSE Plus as well. But thanks for joining, guys. Have an amazing day, and I will catch you tomorrow. Let's go. Woo!